डियर चिल्ड्रन, लास्ट पीरियड में आपको मैंने हिस्ट्री पढ़ाया था। आज ज्योग्राफी का लेसन सेकंड फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया पढ़ा रहा हूँ, जिसमें से आपको टेक्टोनिक प्लेट के बारे में पढ़ा चुका था। नाउ लुक एट द पेज नंबर 152, स्ट्रक्चरल डिवीजन, अर्थात भारत को कितने भागों में बांटा गया है और उनका वर्णन हम आपको बताने जा रहे हैं। स्ट्रक्चरली इन इंडिया, land mass is divided into three main divisions consisting of first Himalayas mountain chain, second North Indian plain, and third the peninsular plateau. In one of the geological period going back to about 300 million years, all the present continents were united in the form of one landmass named the Pangaea. Its northern parts was called Angara land. Thus, from geological history of main structural division of India are the Himalayan mountain chain, a part of Angara land, and south part called Gondwana land, of which peninsular India formed one of block. The intervening space between the two continental blocks was a shallow sea called Tethys Sea. During the subsequent geological period, the Indian peninsular block began drifting northernwards, leaving a huge gap filled with water, which truly came to be called the Indian Ocean. As the peninsular block continued its drift northward, the Indian Ocean continued to advance and fill up the depression of either side of the landmass. When it compressed the Tethys Sea, thus the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal were formed. Major physiographic division of India. The physiographic division are influenced by the structure, and they are not always based on the structure. The diverse landforms that are inclusive of slope of the land are best described by relief. Relief refers to the general surface feature of the earth projecting or standing out from the ground. Each of the divisions that are done on the basis of relief may have a different or similar geological structure and history. On the basis of relief features, we may categorize the Indian landmass into main physiographic divisions as under. The northern mountains are the Himalayan mountains chain, second Great Northern Plains, third Great North Indian Desert, next the western and eastern coastal plain, the plateau of Peninsula and the Indian Islands. इस प्रकार 6 पार्ट हैं। फर्स्ट है नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स, सेकंड द ग्रेट नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स, थर्ड ग्रेट इंडियन डिजर्ट, फोर्थ वेस्टर्न एंड ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स, फिफ्थ प्लेट्यू ऑफ पेनिनसुलर एंड सिक्स्थ इंडियन आइसलैंड। फर्स्ट हिमालयन माउंटेन चेन. The Himalayas are geological and structurally whole mountains. They stretch over the northern border of India in the form of an or a distance of about 2,400 km. Their width varies from 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km Arunachal Pradesh. These mountain ranges run into west to east direction from the Indus to the Brahmaputra rivers. The altitude variation in Himalayas in the eastern half of the greater than those in the western half. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent. A great number of valleys lie between these ranges. हिमाद्री और इनर हिमालयाज और ग्रेट हिमालय, अर्थात ग्रेट हिमालय महान हिमालय, हिमालय को तीन भागों में डिवाइड किया गया है, मुख्य हिमालय, मध्य हिमालय और निम्न हिमालय। निम्न हिमालय को शिवालिक श्रेणी कहते हैं। अब इनको कल हम पढ़ाएंगे तीनों के बारे में। मुख्य हिमालय, ग्रेट हिमालय जिसे कहते हैं या महान हिमालय कह सकते हो, मिडिल लेसर हिमालयाज और शिवालिक लोअर हिमालय जिसे के नाम से जानते हैं। आप उनके बारे में कल बताएंगे। थैंक्स।